Hello guys and welcome to the video. So in the last video when we have come to the web and then we have come to edit, then we have seen that there is not so much of options like PHP 7.3, 7.4 and PHP 8. So what you can do to install multiple PHP versions, so you have to go to your server. I go to server, I give it clear and then I browse as root and then KICD to my where am I cd to my home directory ls. Let me make a folder mkdir scripts. Here I can see a folder named scripts. I will change my directory into a script and there's nothing, so we'll come to the Vesta website and we can see install multiple PHP versions on the server. So click on it, we'll see the file, we'll click on raw, we will copy this, we will come to the server, we'll write wget and this will paste it. The file will be downloaded, we will ls and we can see that there, we'll clear it with ls, we can see the file over here. So what we have to do is we have to edit the file. Let me copy the name, yeah, and then hit enter and and then here we can see PHP 5.6, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2. so what you have to do is if you need 7.2 you will write here 1, if you need 3 you'll write here 1, if you need 4 you'll write here 1. The one you will need, you will write 1 beside the name and you will hit Ctrl X, Y and enter. And then what you have to do is you can go to the you have to run the file. You can, if you forgot how to run, you can go to knowledge base and here you can come to multiple PHP version. Here you'll get the sudo bash and you have to run this command like this. So I'm not running because I've already installed it. So this is the way, pretty much it. So you can, by this way you can install the PHP versions. Also here you can see that all the versions have a public name. So what is this public one? So you know that if you run a Laravel software, then you have to change the directory to public. So this version of every PHP version will point the root directory to the public folder. So it helps so much on this. Also, let me tell you something. uh, Here on VestaCP we did have to list the NS records and A records, and in VestaCP my Vesta it has been done already. Also here you can see the SSL support has been made already. You just have to, it is done by default. So here's a lot of features what we can enjoy with this my Vesta. So thank you very much.